To create a group chat in Messenger, start by opening the Messenger app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of all your conversations. Next, tap on the Compose button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new chat window where you can select the people you want to add to your group chat. Type the names of the people you want to add to the group in the search bar at the top of the screen. As you type, a list of matching contacts will appear below. Select each person you want to add to the group by tapping on their name. Once you have selected all the people you want to add, tap on the Create Group button at the bottom of the screen. This will create a new group chat with the selected people. You can then give your group a name by tapping on the group name at the top of the screen and typing in a new name. You can also add a photo to your group by tapping on the camera icon and selecting a photo from your device. To add more people to your group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen and then tap on the Add People button. You can then select more people to add to the group from your contacts list. To manage your group chat, tap on the group name at the top of the screen and then tap on the View Group Info button. From here, you can manage the group settings, including who can join the group and who can post in the group. By following these steps, you can easily create a group chat in Messenger and start communicating with your friends and family. Remember to always use group chats responsibly and respectfully, and to follow any applicable laws and regulations.